أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألهاكم التكاثر حتى زرتم المقابر كلا سوف تعلمون ثم كلا سوف تعلمون كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين لترون الجحيم ثم لترونها عين اليقين ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم. Translation. In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. O mankind, you have been distracted by the rivalry of piling up worldly gains against one another. You will never be satisfied until you get to your grave. Nevertheless, soon you shall come to know. Again, nevertheless, soon you shall come to know. Nay, would that you knew through the real knowledge provided to you in this Quran and care about your life in the hereafter. Because on the day of judgment, when you shall see the blazing fire hell, and see it with the certainty of your eyes, you shall believe it, but the belief is going to do you no good, because on that day you shall be questioned about the blessings.